Chile's bishops have returned home after an emergency meeting with Pope Francis, to a country in shock. Both by the child sex abuse scandal that has rocked the Catholic Church, and also that all 34 of its bishops have offered the Pope their resignation, something the Vatican has never seen before.
Hopefully the Pope will accept all their offers of resignation because they protected themselves and held on to power.
At the heart of the scandal is Father Fernando KARADIMA. He was accused of sexually abusing young boys over several decades. Now in this home for the elderly, he denies the charges. Others, such as Bishop Juan Barros, are accused of covering up his alleged crimes. The Pope, on a visit to Chile earlier this year, defended Barros, then admitted he'd been wrong to do so.
It's difficult that the same people who caused this crisis will solve it. The bishops, the day before they met the Pope, said they hoped he would enlighten them, as though being with him would convert them from criminals into examples of endless goodness.
The Pope has released details of the investigation he ordered and has personally apologised to some of the victims. However, the Catholic Church remains an intrinsic part of Chilean society and believers will keep coming to church. Only now they're asking who is taking the service and are demanding fundamental changes right from the very top. The victims and those campaigning with them say the church hierarchy had until now refused to listen to them. Now that it has, their battle to rebuild faith, trust and confidence in Chile's Catholic Church has begun.
The victims have told us that the battle they were fighting was impossible, them against the church. It looked as though they were outside the church attacking it. The truth is, the victims were always right, always. And thanks to their determination, their faith, they won. That, for us, is a tremendous example.
This is the cathedral in the southern diocese of Osorno, where Juan Barros was appointed bishop by the Pope in 2015, despite many in the congregation warning he'd failed to speak out about child abuse. They boycotted this building in protest, but now they're back, relieved, vindicated, but with a great deal of healing and rebuilding still to do. Daniel Schweimler, Al Jazeera, Santiago.